Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashwika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneurs. In today's video guys, we're gonna be talking about 3 things about the Redbubble which very few people talk about, because people see a lot of the good things about the Redbubble that they overlook these 3 things about the Redbubble which was really not good, I can say. So I'm going to be sharing it based on my experience. So let's dive in. Before going to good part, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon, because we upload daily videos, and when we do so you'll be get notified about it. Also, we have the bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the free section, and again you can subscribe to our email newsletter. Right now it's on waitlist. It's 100% free. It will going to deliver you exclusive content regarding making money online. The link is in description box below. Let's talk about the Redbubble. Now, I've seen that many people talk about the good things about the Redbubble, and just making the videos or even writing the blog articles or even contacting the other people on the Facebook group saying that they make $1,000, $100 or XYZ amount of dollars on the Redbubble, and they are talking so many good points about the Redbubble that they overlook some of the bad things about the Redbubble. Now, one thing I want to say to you guys, you would be thinking why I'm making this video about talking about the bad things about the Redbubble, because I really want to be honest with you guys, and it's also based on my own experience and knowledge. I have also made a video talking about the 5 things that no one tell about the Zazzle. I'm going to leave that video in the card section above. In that video also I talk about the real things about the Zazzle that not many people talk about it, because if you watch other YouTube videos, people just talk about the positive things, positive results, or maybe showing their numbers, how much they are making, and blah 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 blah, but they are overlooking the negative aspect of all these websites, because every website has a good and a bad. We can't overlook the bad just because we are getting the benefit from the good, because we never know when this bad will going to overcome the good and something would going to happen to a shop, because all these are rented marketplaces. We don't have much of the control. We of course can place a design, that's all the control we have. After that, we don't have much of the control, and if they decided they don't want us longer on the platform, then they can ban us, suspend our account, or even terminate it. So I want to be really honest about these 3 things about the Redbubble. Now, first off, there is a big disclaimer. Guys, this is the thing I put on almost all my videos, because people watching my videos, they say that, oh, you are so biased about it, you are, and all that. I say that, yes, I am biased. I may be biased because of my experience. So the things I'm going to be sharing in this video are based on my own experience and knowledge with the Redbubble. It may be biased, maybe you get pissed off of the Redbubble after listening to this video or after watching to this video. But that's the reality. It happened with me, so I'm sharing with you guys, so maybe it won't happen with you, and maybe you are aware of that. So please take my advice with a grain of salt, because I'm not an expert. It may be right, it may not be right. It's just I'm sharing my own experience and my own knowledge in this video. So hopefully you will find it useful, enjoyable, and take it with a grain of salt. The first thing is about the copying and stealing other people's work, or tag spamming, or even actually publishing the designs that are related to the copyright or trademark. This is quite common on the Redbubble. Of course, they have been shutting down a lot many shops, many designs they have been taken down, but still there are many designs are there which are actually using the copyright and trademark of the big companies, which is not good, which is really not good. I don't know why they are taking down those designs, although they are working on, because some people were saying that they are working on, they have taken so many designs, so many shops because of this copyright and trademark, and they are still working on, they are still looking for any gaps like what people are using, and they are still taking it down. But again guys, there are so many designs on the Redbubble that are copyright, there are trademark, and also people do steal other people's artwork. Now, if you are an artist, if you are a designer, I hear your pain, because I'm also in your shoes. I make my own design from scratch, and if someone steals my work, I feel so bad, because that design I made by myself, and now someone is stealing that work. It's not doable. It's really not doable, and we don't want it. Of course, if you are using the graphics from the Canva or from Creative Fabrica or Creative Market, and you're creating those designs, then it's not 100% your own design, because you're using somebody else's graphics and else fonts and all. But if you're creating from scratch, then if your designs get stolen, that it's really bad. I think people do it. Of course, there are so many shops who have actually messaged the Redbubble and say them that their designs have been stolen. So Redbubble may work against that shop which has stolen other people's work, and they might shut down or might take it down. But still, there are so many people who do the same. And there is a tag spamming problem as well. So many designs have been taken down, so many shops have shut down, but still this problem is there. I know that at times it's not that easy to actually manage the platform where you have millions of designs on the platform. It's not that easy. You need to have a separate employees or separate section where you can manage all those stuff. I really hear that. But still, these problems are active currently on the Redbubble. Hopefully in the upcoming few months or maybe upcoming few years, it will be eliminated or it would be completely eradicated from the platform. But again, we don't know what will going to happen. But right now is the current scenario. Stolen work, copyright, trademark, tag spamming is still common. So many have been taken down because of these reasons. So many shops have been shut down, suspended, terminated because of these reasons. But still there are so many people who are selling such kind of work and making money. Still you can see this kind of stuff is active. Maybe in the future the Redbubble would work upon it and eliminate all those stuffs and eradicate and actually make the platform neat and clean. But again, let's hope for the good. Okay. The second thing, which was kind of like so bad, which I have personally faced by myself, is the lack of customer support, which I really feel is not a good thing. Like, whatever company or whatever business you have, you need to have a customer support. Of course, it may take a customer support or customer care center to reply to your email maybe in a week or maybe 15 days. That's completely normal because that is a big company. So many people are emailing them. So many people are sending them messages on the Twitter or social media platform. So it might take them a few weeks to actually reply back or to actually get back to the people. But they really need to actually hear the people who are selling on the platform, because it's my own experience. My Redbubble account suspended. I tried to contact them so many times, but nothing really happened. Then ultimately I contacted them on the Twitter message. They replied to my Twitter message, but I never got my account back. I mean, when I'm gonna get it, I don't know, and I'm still not waiting for it, but that was a serious concern for me. I want to talk to you because from the Zazzle, I contacted Zazzle customer care service many times in the past, and they actually replied to my emails maybe in a day or maybe in 7 days, maybe in 15 days, but they did reply to my emails. So I'm quite satisfied with the Zazzle customer service, and I really love that the way they talk to the people via the email, reply to them, and that is really amazing. Like, people want that customer service because we need some help with the platform. The last thing that I want to talk about the Redbubble is that their account suspension issue. Like, they have some kind of like a bot system or kind of like a system on the platform. Like, if one account has been suspended, and linked to all the other accounts may also get suspended, because I've done a pretty bunch of the research about it. I was having 2 or 3 Redbubble shops in the past, and when one of my Redbubble accounts suspended, the rest other shops were also suspended. Then I was searching on the internet about why that actually happened, and then I came across it's due to the system they have on the platform. Like, if they see that this suspended account is linked to any other account, then the other account will also be get suspended. It's pretty bad thing, guys, because these bot systems they actually sometimes work against our shop, because if they see that if something happening in our shop and might get in the spam filters, or even our shops get caught in the spam filters, we might get it suspended. And if we are having 2 or 3 shops that is linked to that old shop, because we are actually logging in or signing into our same laptop or computer or our same mobile screen, if you are logging from the same device, then you see that your other shop will also get suspended the moment you log in from that. That thing has happened. Although like few weeks back only I made a new Redbubble account, it's still active as in being suspended. But at that time, when my Redbubble account suspended for at least in a month, all my shops were suspended as well, and I was getting no help from the Redbubble, so it really pissed me off. But again, guys, do let me know in the comment section below if your experience with the Redbubble was different. You got a reply, an email back from the Redbubble, or you see that the Redbubble is improving or something good about the Redbubble. Do let me know in the comment section below, because I myself get updated with that and it would be helpful to me as well. and also for the people who will be reading your comments. So make sure you leave your comment if your experience with the Redbubble is good and you see the customer service is good and you're getting the reply back, email reply back and all that. Let me know in the comment section below. But that's it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. It's all based on my own experience and knowledge, so please take it with a grain of salt. It may vary from person to person, from country to country, from shop to shop. Let me know what do you think. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.